Ever had an idea, a software idea, but no idea how to actually build it? Then you are not alone here. Many founders are stuck between the idea part and the execution part. So today I am going to show you how we are building software from scratch. It's proven, it's simple, and it actually works. How we do it at Tridev Technologies. Let me clearly explain to you in very simple way. The very first one we do it requirement gathering. We don't just start with coding part. We start with conversation. We talk with you, gather your questions, understand your vision, and document everything so we can craft a perfect solution just for you. And the second one is wireframing. After getting all your visions, we just wireframe it in a simple black and white paper. We wireframe how which tech stack is going to help in what's your problem and how the full system is going to work, so you can visualize it. And it actually helps in killing out the bugs and problems which is going to be caused in future. The third thing what we do after wireframing is UI UX designing. UI UX designing is a very simple part. Our expert are experienced in UI UX designing part. After your wireframe is done, we build UI UX in Figma, so you can actually see what the final products can be, how final product is going to look, and it's a full prototype. Button are working and full design is done on Figma. And the fourth one, development with Agile methodologies. Our full team culture and team is following DevOps culture. What we do, we make a weekly calendar and schedule your product on daily task basis and weekly task basis. So you are getting updates every week. You can actually give us feedback, and we are also testing every single milestone in a week. So your software, the final product which you are going to get, is full out, bug free, error free, and everything. And the fifth one, after development and using Agile, after development with using Agile methodologies, the fifth task which we do is testing one. After development phase is over, we test everything from security to errors to bugs to everything. Your product, the product which you are going to get, is fully secured, bug fixes, and following every compliances of Google Play Store, App Store, government, and everything. You don't have to worry about anything of it. The last and final, once you are happy, we hand over the full project to you, the code and everything. The code is of course is yours from day one. We don't have any right on the code. It's totally your product from the starting day one, so you don't have to worry about the code and anything. We also deploy it and live it up, and also help you in reaching out app downloads. Our team is expert in that also. We can help you in getting app downloads also. This step-by-step process help to turn your ideas into working software, stress-free, without wasting your time, money, and giving stress to yourself and your family. So if you got any idea about how we are helping you and how we are helping business owners, and Tridev Technologies help you in making up your software, you can grab the offer we are running just now. We are running an offer of 20% discount for your software. So get a free quotation just now and get a free consultation call also. You can book a free consultation call with Tridev Technologies expert by clicking the link in the description box below, or I am also sharing the link in the I button. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.